Here's a solution for a portable miter saw box. A pair of 3/4 inch countersunk magnets are placed onto the block. A metal plate made from a piece of old saw blade is attached to the magnets magnetically to provide a surface for the saw to run on. Here I'm squaring the contraption. At this point, all you have to do is line up the saw to your mark, and the magnet will keep the saw very flat against the
Try to get the cut.
guide bar, and you can just make your cut. I came up with this idea because I wanted a portable solution for a miter box. I use my Stanley miter box quite a bit, but it's too big to keep set up in my workshop, so I have to run back and forth from my workshop into the garage where it is set up. So this is basically a portable miter box which I can just keep alongside on the bench for a quick 90-degree cut. And just like a miter box, it can be set at any angle as well. So that was a cut for the shoulder of a tenon. To cut the cheeks of the tenon, we need to make a rip cut. So there is an add-on 90-degree fence. The fence can be adjusted in or out, since there is a slot along the registration block. Here the fence is moved in or out to line it up with the registration mark, and the cut is then made. For this cut, I'm using my long miter box saw that came with the Stanley miter box. It's made for cross cuts. I'd probably be better off if I used a rip cut type of saw.
Alright.
And there you have it, a portable miter box, and as a bonus, a portable tenon cutting guide.